the Armoury crate, the AMD Ryzen 9 5900HS with Radeon graphics. That is the laptop that I'm using. It has the GPU NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 laptop GPU GDDR6 at 6 gigabytes with 192 bits. This is we're right now in the home. We have device. We have inside of device we have systems. We have the Aura Sync. We have the game visual. We have game library. We have scenario profiles. We have featured. We have news related with ASUS Rog Zephyrus G15. We have a user center. You have global service, China service. You need to create an account. You can press here to customer support, mobile connect to connect your phone, settings. So we have the settings, general, update center. We have the about. So in general, choose your Armoury crate landing page. In these options we have last open page, we have home, we have Aura Sync, game visual, game library, scenario profiles, featured, news, user center, settings. Customize theme. You can use the Rog theme Armoury crate. That is the one that I'm using. You have the TAF Gaming Armoury crate. You have the ASUS Armoury crate. Update center. I have the UWP app and core service is up to date. Armoury crate version 5.3.4.0. Device and component. Your device is up to date. I have the GA503QM Aura kit version 2021-04-27. Date is 2021-09-06. Let me see. Version, okay. AI noise cancellation audio software audio kit version is 2.0.3. Customizable hotkeys HTML version 1.1.4. Game SDK service game SDK version 1.0.5.0. You can click here for check for updates. Mine is up to date. And about version, I have the 5.3.4.0 service version. Check service / HAL service version. App diagnosis. Notice the software contains source code provided by NVIDIA Corporation. Okay, so this is the settings. If we go to home, you can see the CPU usage 29%. This is the AMD Ryzen 9, the Radeon graphics, and this one is the CPU usage for the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060. I'm not using that much right now, the NVIDIA GeForce. Right now we have these different options: Windows, silent, performance, turbo, manual. Right now you're hearing some noise. That noise is from my laptop. If I press turbo, it's gonna be a little bit louder and brighter too. Okay. Yeah, you can see now. But right now I'm gonna go back to performance, or you can go to silent. Right now much better, but I need to put some color here. Okay, man, that was loud. You can use also the Windows option. We have here the CPU stats. We have the frequency. Right now is 4000 megahertz. It's varying. The usage is about 27%. It's varying too. Memory frequency 3200 megahertz. The temperature also is varying. It's about 75, 78, Celsius degree. The voltage is 1312 around 1300 millivolts. We have the memory and storage. We have 68.2% of RAM, 10.4 out of the 15.4 gigabytes. We have the 19.9% storage, that is 90.5 out of the 453.8 gigabytes. The fan speed, the CPU fan, you have 2200 RPM. You have the GPU fan, 2400 RPM. The fan acoustics, you have 23.4 around decibels, I would say. Let me read. The noise level displayed is based on the test results from ASUS Noise Testing Lab, based on the ISO 7779 standard measurement specification. Noise level may vary depending on the user's measurement method, measurement equipment, operation conditions of the system, background noise of the test environment. Therefore, the noise data shown here is only a reference value. Okay. Acoustic, okay, is the same. The GPU stats. The frequency, power saving, usage is 0 because we're talking about the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060. The memory frequency, power saving, temperature, power saving, voltage, TGP 80 watts. System configuration, we have the Windows key, we have the RAW key, the touchpad, the boot up sound, okay, the panel overdrive, the panel power, the standard GPU mode. What else do we have here? Here we have the edit tiles. Here we have register your product and mobile connect, so you can connect your iPhone, your Android. What else do we have here? Okay, wait a minute. So okay, we read already that one. We have the game launcher. Add games to library. We have the app configuration, rainbow aura sync, default game visual. This is for the backlights. Scenario profiles, we have, well, we can create one. ShareCam, launch, select ShareCam via link, my ASUS, my profile. You can log in, register your product. Welcome to Armoury Crate, and that would be the home option. We can go to the device option. We can go into system, and in system we have the memory. Select process to disable while you're gaming. We have the free app, refresh, memory, CPU. We have the GPU power saving. Right now it's in standard. Standard is for balance between performance and battery life. Windows default. We can go to eco mode, maximum battery life with reduced gaming performance. We can go to optimize, automatically switches between standard and eco mode. This is recommended. I'm gonna go for the standard. I'm just gonna leave it there. Process, the following applications are using the GPU. It is recommended that you stop these applications to save power, so stop all, refresh, memory, CPU. Lighting, so basic effects. We have, for example, static. Modify device settings. If you modify the device settings, the device will not be synchronized with Aura Sync. Are you sure you want to continue? We can cancel it. When I show you the Aura Syncs in a while, I'm gonna show you how to change the colors of the backlit. But the basic effects here, we have the statics, the breathing, strobing, color cycle, Aura Sync. Advanced effects, we have the Aura Creator. Use Aura Creator to create unique lighting effects between synchronized devices. We have the settings here, reset to default if you want to reset it. Syncing devices with Aura Sync. You have the brightest. You can make it brighter, reduce the brightness. We can go to the audio. Microphone modes is off. You have the car diode mode, capture sound from one direction while minimizing sound at the back, ideal for streaming and gaming. Stereo mode, record. Let me see, it's off. Stereo mode, record a wider soundscape using the left and right channels, good for live music and other immersive experiences. Omnidirectional mode, pick up sound from all directions equally, ideal for conference calls and other group events. You have two-way AI noise cancellation, setup guide, input microphone. Okay, that is the one that I'm using. Yeah, we have resource monitor. You can monitor your CPU frequency, your CPU temperature, CPU usage, GPU frequency, GPU temperature, GPU usage, memory usage, disk active time, disk read speed, disk write speed, like you can see here, disk write speed. The current we have 400 kilobytes per second. The range is 100,000 kilobytes per second or 10,000. Wait a minute. Oh man, let me see. Yeah, 10,000 kilobytes per second, man. 100,000. Nah, that would be really fast. Recent minimum 351 kilobytes per second. Recent maximum 1031 kilobytes per second. Recent average 579 kilobytes per second. Record, import, and mobile connection. Now the Aura Sync, you have the Aura Sync devices. Apply Aura Sync to the selected devices or click the shortcut set device lighting to set a lighting effect to your device. Whether lighting effects are supported depends on the model. We have here the Aura Performance mode. Aura Performance mode may optimize the smoothness of the lighting effects but may also increase the CPU usage. Hue connection, ensure the Hue bridge and your system are connected to the same network. Also, check the firmware version of the Hue bridge and the Hue app to make sure it is up to date. And we have here the Aura effects. So from here, choosing one of those is gonna change the color and the rhythm of your backlights. I'm gonna go right now with the smart. Where is smart? Here, smart. Well, I cannot show you my backlights, but it changes the color. It changes from green to red to blue, and it does it in a gradual form. And you can play around with the static, breathing, strobing, color cycle, rainbow, starry night, music, smart, adaptive color, dark. You can play here with the temperature smart, and you can reset it to the default. And let's click it, reset to default. The lighting effects will reset to default. The previous settings cannot be restored. Are you sure you want to reset? Okay, let's reset it. And the reset is the rainbow. The speed you can change, make it faster, so the backlit changes faster, or you can slow down so it changes slower. We go to game visual. So in game visual we have the color temperature. You can play around. You have the OSD. When turned on, an OSD will show the current game visual mode after each system reboot. We have the default that provides the best viewing experience for browsing photos and websites. We have the racing, fine-tuned for fast-paced gaming. We have scenery, fine-tunes the brightness, contrast, and saturation for more vibrant hues. We have RTS/RPG, best for viewing gaming graphics with enhanced sharpness and color performance. We have the FPS, enhance the visibility and dark scenes and make it easier to spot your enemies when you're gaming. Cinema enhances the contrast and color saturation to deliver livelier and more vivid visuals. Eye care adjusts the gamma value, saturation, and hue to reduce the amount of blue light and prevent vivid enhances the color saturation and the brightness of the images. The color calibration. Start the color calibration. You can play around here. Advanced preparation. The last preparation of the ASUS system control interface V2. Existing factory default calibration file. Existing factory default ICM file. Connect your device to the DC power supply. Disconnect any external displays from your laptop. Notice calibration will reset your game visual settings to normal mode. Supports X-Write I1 Display Pro only. Okay. Game library. Category, platform, genre, by progress, category management. Recently play. I haven't played. If you have installed the game but it does not appear, please go to settings and add the game manually. If you have not installed the game, check out from game deals. You can press here. Scenario profiles, create new, cancel, select profile to edit. Okay. Featured, we have game deals, so we have Marvel, Resident Evil, Star Wars, Village, Age of Empires. You have a bunch of stuff here. Or damn, everything that is featured here. You have content, platform, and let's see. Okay, you have home. Man, it's cool. Oh, you have all this feature here you can use. 8-bit CD, you have Zephyrus Duo 15 by 8-bit CD. Yeah, no releases, you can choose any of those if you want. Rog recommended, New Year's fireworks, you have Christmas, Thanksgiving. Yeah, that was Thanksgiving. Okay, Christmas is coming soon. New anime matrix effects are now available. Download them today. Shine in and out of the game. What do we have here? Home. What else here? We have a spotlight your desktop. Turn your wallpaper into an Aura RGB device. You are now able to control the RGB lighting on your wallpaper and synchronize wallpaper with other Aura Sync compatible devices. You have Anime Matrix, new animations launch, new animations are now available, check it out. We have new Anime Matrix effects are now available, download them today. Okay, we read it already. Wait a minute. Anime Matrix, so you can download all of this stuff you want. Just check it out. I mean, look, this is cool, this is free. This is free too, Rog. Free icon. Man, this is cool. Halloween, you are what you were, free. Yeah, man, this is cool. The Rock. Man, this is cool. Aura wallpaper. Man, this is cool. Free. You can use this Aura wallpaper. You can use that one. Man, this is very cool. And this is free. All those wallpapers. Man, I might choose one of those. Where's my wallpaper? This is my wallpaper. Okay, static wallpaper. You have the 8-bit CD, Zephyrus Duo 15. Yeah, 4 Horsemen of the Apocalypse. Neo RAM. We have here recommended. Okay, you can check out these ones. Redemption. Please log in and agree to the privacy policy first. Okay, later. We have news. Let me see. Twitter, YouTube, Facebook. What else do we have? Rog Forum, Armoury Crate, Rog Forum, ASUS Store, join the official Rog Discord service. And yeah, I mean, that was the tour of my Armoury Crate for my AMD Ryzen 9 5900HS with Radeon graphics.